Oh, look at this amazing wall. I wonder who did it. Look at this amazing wall. I wonder which son did it? Which son did it, Dad? Which son?
My daughter did these walls.
Yes, I did. Church and Sons painting, in parentheses, also a daughter, call us. Go like this, go, call us. It'll look really stupid and silly.
Call us.
Do you have a tip for edging?
Patience. Patience and a good brush. Make sure you have a very good brush. Don't buy a cheap brush. Better yet, give me a call. Church and Sons Painting, 925-813-0006.